Today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to cook from home. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate making hamburger sliders on a lettuce wrap with a side of sweet potato fries. As I have my beef, and then I'm going to add some salt to it so you can season to taste, okay? We have the measurements in the recipe as well. Okay, so now I have to mix it all up. So you can do your hands, you can do a little bit with the fork action, that's up to you. You know what, while we're doing this, let's warm up that saute pan. So we're just going to use a little bit of olive oil just to lightly coat the bottom of that saute pan. Done. Just maybe a tablespoon. And then you're gonna set it to a higher medium setting. Okay, so we're gonna get that oil nice and hot. It already smells very good. Okay, now that they are all put together, I'm gonna let this kind of heat up a little bit. Kind of make sure that that oil spreads all around the pan. So now we're gonna form these little patties. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of a fistful here because they're sliders, maybe a little bit smaller. So right in the size of your palm, and we're gonna flatten them out. Beautiful, look how cute. We're gonna lay them down. This is so easy to make, I'm telling you, easy peasy. On the side, we're gonna make those sweet potato fries, right? So I've already cut up my sweet potato here. We're gonna add a little bit of olive oil again. About 2 tablespoons this time. And again, we're gonna add that salt and pepper. I am going to use my air fryer. I love my air fryer. But if you don't have an air fryer, you're just gonna put these in the oven at 375. The sweet potato fries, preheat the oven to 375 and cook them for about 20, maybe 30 minutes until they're nice and crispy. I love the air fryer. You're not cooking with heavy oil, so just put them right in there. Bam! They even have a French fry setting. It's at 360 degrees on the air fryer. I push play. For hamburgers, you want them to be like medium well. I'm gonna flip them one time. Yeah, already starting to brown. You can also bake these, or you can put them on the grill as well. It's all preference. It's now ready to plate these bad boys. So after about 10 minutes, so I did 5 minutes essentially on each side of those hamburgers, I'm gonna put them on my little beds of lettuce. You can use whatever lettuce you want. And then top it off with my sweet potato fries, nice golden brown. And there you have it. Super fast, super quick and easy hamburger lettuce sliders with a side of sweet potatoes.